Thanks for choosing my video. If you would please subscribe, like, and please add a comment, plus or minus. Even if you don't like it, add a comment. This is changing the dash in a 1993 Thompson 26-foot boat, part 2. The original dash was plastic and badly cracked and broken. Making a new one out of aluminum. Here I'm laying out the circuit breakers. Pretty much drew everything to scale with CAD. Putting 16 circuit breakers in for all the circuits. Be no more fuses. Using a step drill, and I marked it off with tape, so I'd only drill so far. And it seems to work pretty good. It left pretty burred up edges. So I used a countersink bit and hit those edges, and it knocked them right down smooth. So not too bad. To the left, you'll see that there's going to be a DC port for like a cigarette lighter plug-in, and two USB ports. Again, there's going to be 18 switches on the bottom. I've got those marked out at this point, and I haven't drilled the holes yet. I'm waiting to see, the machine shop is making a stamp for it to cut out the holes. Of course, the switches are square. Everybody sells square switches, but nobody sells a tool to cut the hole. The people that used to make the tools for them don't make them anymore. Can't find any used ones. So I have to have it custom built. There are 16 holes, should fit the switches. How's that for speed? Here I'm using a Harbor Freight step drill, and it gave me nothing but trouble. It wouldn't cut. It would cut, and then it would snag. I'm not sure that the cheaper price is worth the deal. Probably been better off spending I think it was $30 for a good one. Yeah, got the job done anyways. Used a file to clean up the edges. You might be wondering about all the writing on the face of that. It has a plastic coating onto it that'll peel off. And I don't think I've scratched anything deep enough to worry about the plastic coating going through. So I think it'll be a pretty good clean white surface when it's done. I will have to paint around the edges. They're all raw metal. But I think it'll look pretty good. We'll see. If I have to, I'll repaint it. I found this Harbor Freight drill bit, step drill bit, sometimes cuts as good going backwards as it did going forward. Try that out for size. A good step drill is definitely the way to cut tin. Light aluminum panels like that. Much better than using a drill. Okay, once again I have the camera out of position. I seem to have a problem with framing the picture in. Here I'm making all the measurements to see what spacing there is between the covers, so I can put labeling in there, what they're for, and identify each one. Not a lot of room. I'm not sure I can cut vinyl that small. Might have to find an alternative. For your time.